Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the city creation. In this basically we are discussing the Microsoft City basically. Microsoft um, Microsoft Blood Cells. In this basically we told that basically 3150 birth basically the one Microsoft body basically takes 3150 body 3150 birth means you can just imagine 3000 year basically. So assume that basically today is 2023 basically. Just a minute, basically 2023 plus 3150. Ooh, 5173 basically. 5173 year basically. Up to that level basically the Microsoft is telling that basically we had done the planning basically. So you can just imagine basically the Microsoft basically, if he can do this type of planning for their employees basically, then up to what level basically he can stay basically. You can just imagine basically. You can just imagine basically. So you can just imagine basically. So one of the person told that basically the rich people, do you know basically, they basically refresh their ideas basically. For example, one big software company owner basically have around 1000 ideas basically inside his body. So he basically keeps on refreshing that ideas basically. How basically? That's basically his technique basically, by eating the foods, or basically might be possible that he basically is sitting in one of the air conditioned room basically. There basically his idea get refreshed. Sometimes basically he's sitting in special gardens basically, which is created specially from that ideas total basically inside his body basically. New idea comes, the new tree basically comes into the garden. So we can just imagine here basically that's the rich lifestyle basically. The rich lifestyle basically, you can say rich people basically, you are for example the Bollywood writers, no, basically they basically have this rich lifestyle basically. Why? Because they need to keep the refresh their ideas basically. Why? Because they will not refresh their ideas, no, basically, then basically they basically will never able to write the perfect story basically. So they basically keeps on writing the stories basically with the perfect refreshing ideas basically. So for that basically they basically eat foods, they basically eat special type of water, they have special type of environment basically, like air conditions are there. An air condition company basically they do the tie up with the air condition basically. This is basically total ideas basically inside my body. You just keeps refreshing that idea basically. Special gardens are prepared in that basically garden. Special trees basically are there. So this type of lifestyle basically only few people basically can have basically. That is rich people. That is TCS like, Capgemini like, Accenture like, then Godrej Group like, or eClairX Group, then the Infosys Group basically. This type of groups only basically can. Patni Group is there basically there. Then the Emphasis Group is there basically. Then basically this type of Rishabh Group is there basically. That is also big group basically. Then the Numerator Group basically are there. This all are basically rich people basically. They people basically can have this type of lifestyle basically. So normal people basically can't have basically. Normal people basically can't have this type of lifestyle basically. So that Reliance Group is there, TCS Group is, that all are basically the energy group basically. So that basically keeps on refreshing their ideas, because I am talking about the software industry basically, not the nuclear group basically. Reliance Group, this all are IPCL, then IOC, then the AIMS Oxide. These all groups are basically nuclear groups basically. That's basically normal thing for them basically, but that is not normal for the software industry basically. Software company owner basically, for that basically it's not a normal thing basically. They have to do lots of things basically. So for that people basically it's not normal basically. So for that basically this must be rich people basically. There is no other option basically. If you can just imagine basically, for example he have basically around 210 ideas basically, just as him basically in his body, just taking as an example. So if we have 210 of idea, for example he is sitting in garden, so 210 of idea basically was extracted by certain groups basically, and that from on the base of that basically the garden was prepared basically. So whenever he basically connects with the new ideas basically, the garden gets updates. He keeps on sitting in the garden, new ideas comes, keeps on updating the garden, again new idea comes, like this basically the process keeps on going basically. So you can just imagine basically the dangerous thing basically. It's so normal people can afford basically garden. Normal people basically can't afford one bed also basically. So see my bed basically. How my bed is basically. You can see my bed basically. So this is my bed basically. So I can't afford single bed also basically. Normal bed also. Why? Because it's a normal lifestyle basically. So rich people basically can afford this all this thing basically. Normal people basically can't afford basically. So like this basically the lifestyle basically of the rich people are basically. So rich people basically, their lifestyle are rich, they can basically afford 3150 birth basically. So you can just imagine a 350 birth means 5000, more than 5000 year is already completed basically. So Microsoft is prepared up to that level basically. But now he is telling that basically we can't sit up to the 2 hour also basically. We can't sit for 2 to 3 hour in the office also basically. So that basically we have already discussed basically. That basically was basically mostly basically it might have done long before basically, because if normal person like me basically can think up to that level basically, then the software industry basically might have done basically long before basically. That's a nuclear power company task basically. That's not a basically the software company task basically, because software company basically can't understand this basically. Software group basically, software group can understand text box equal to 1000 cities. No, they can't understand. Why? Because that's basically the task of the nuclear power company group basically. They basically know that text box equal to 1000 cities, and to display text box basically in the web browser basically, there are set of combination of power supply basically which has to pass basically into the computer basically. Then only basically that text box will get displayed basically. Otherwise basically it will not get displayed basically. So that basically the software company basically owner basically is not supposed to aware basically. He is just supposed to aware the CRM software, payroll software, then the CRM software. These all are software basically is supposed to aware. Or basically if he is a big level company basically, then CRM software equal to converted into human needs basically. That is the vegetables and apple basically. That much deep basically is supposed to aware basically. He is not supposed to aware about the text box equal to 1000 cities, but he should know basically that text box is equal to 1000 cities basically. Reason, he has already created his software into the human needs basically. That's why that is the vegetables basically. So he should know basically at least basically that text box is equal to 1000 cities basically. It's not basically so easy to create the software also, that also he is supposed to understand basically. So like this basically stuffs basically are there. So you can just imagine 3150 birth means you can just understand basically. And the expense basically see 90,000 crore basically. 90,000 crore basically is for city creation basically. When basically the 3150 basically birth will come basically, that time basically this city is going to be coming to the picture basically. For that basically they have done the experiment also basically. You can just imagine basically 5000 year basically. So it's not so easy basically. It's not easy also basically, you can say. So this only basically who can afford one body basically if die basically. So second body to get basically, you can just imagine the expense basically. Normal person can afford? No, normal person basically can't afford basically. Normal person basically like I can't afford the simple bed also basically. See my bed basically. I can't afford the simple bed also basically. See basically. So that's basically the normal lifestyle people basically. So that's basically only rich people basically can afford. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this basically.